The Lance Solar Festoon Lights are the perfect lights for a pergola. Let's find out why. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Lance Solar Festoon Lights. Let's get into it. The Lance Solar Festoon Lights have drop-style bulbs spaced 45 centimeters apart and come as a set of 10. Let's open the box and have a look. So in the box we have the lights with the integrated solar panel, the instructions, the screws and the stake. To set up these lights you'll need to choose whether you stake the panel or wall mount the panel. If you choose to stake the panel, just slide the spike into the solar panel and you're done. If you choose to wall mount your panel, you'll need to use the included screws to secure the panel to a fence or a wall. Once you have chosen your installation method, you can hang these lights under trees or along fences. These lights look particularly pretty under pergolas. These lights feature two modes. We've got Cascading Mode, which creates a descending light effect, and we've got stationary mode, offering a steady glow. These festoon lights have been crafted for durability and are built to withstand the elements, including the harsh British winters. You can test these lights by covering the solar panel, as it tricks the lights into thinking it's nighttime and they should come on. These lights are perfect for parties, events or everyday use. However you choose to style these lights, they will no doubt elevate your outdoor experience. Just remember that these lights have a built-in solar panel, so please do not try to remove it as you will damage the product. If you have any questions about this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, it makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.